And here sine of 180 plus theta. Sine 180 plus theta is which quadrant? That is a third quadrant. But I have told you the condition 180 and 360. If 180 and 360 is there, the one function is not changing to other function. From quadrant to quadrant, when the trigonometric function is changes, if 90 and 270, if you taken these ranges here, then the function is going to changes. But 180 and 360 is there, the one trigonometric function is not going to other trigonometric function from one quadrant to other quadrant. And here what is the range? This is 180. 180 means don't change sine to cos. Don't change sine to cos and keep sine as it is. And keep sine as it is, sine of 30. Take directly sine of 30, leave 180. And next, sine 130. As you know very well, yesterday all the trigonometric ratios we have discussed. What is sine 0? 0. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. You please go to table. In the previous class, I have discussed the table of all the trigonometric angles in terms of radian as well as a degree. What is sine 30 degree? Go to table and see the value. That is 1 by 2. In third quadrant, sine is positive or negative? In third quadrant, sine is negative. In third quadrant, sine is negative. Because in third quadrant, tan and cot only positive, remaining all are negative. Third quadrant ಒಳಗಡೆ tan ಮತ್ತೆ cot ಮಾತ್ರ positive ಅದಾವ, remaining ಎಲ್ಲಾನು negative ಅದಾವ. In third quadrant, sine is negative, therefore I have taken the negative sign here. Therefore, what is the sine of 210 degree? The sine of 210 degree is equal to, that is minus 1 by 2. And go to one more example. One more example I am going to discussing now. That is, what is the value of, for example, what is the value of, that is cos 135. What is the value of cos 135? What is the value of cos 135? And I am writing this one. Let us take carefully, you are observing cos as it is. 135 I am writing like this. How come? 135 I am writing it as, that is 180 minus of 45. Yes, is it right? 180 minus of 45 is equal to 135. Yes. Now I am writing, see, cos as it is. Cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta. Which quadrant it is? It is a second quadrant. 180 minus theta. This is second quadrant. Then cos 180 minus theta, this is cos theta, means cos 45. I have taken 45 here. Which quadrant it is? It is a second quadrant. It is a second quadrant. And now see, is the cos changes into sine? No, because 180 is there. 180 is there. It is 180 is there. The range of the angle is 180. Therefore, sine is not converting cos. Cos is not converting sine. Then you keep cos as it is. Go to table. Go to table. What is the value of cos 45? Go to table. The cos 45 value is 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. And go to which quadrant it is? 180 minus theta. It is a second quadrant. In second quadrant, you check yourself. Is the cos is positive or negative? In the second quadrant, sine is positive, its inverse cosec is positive. But except sine and cosec, remaining all are negative. Therefore, in the second quadrant, cos is negative. Therefore, here this is cos 135. Second quadrant cos is negative. This is the answer of cos 135 degree. This is the third example. And go to one more example. I would like to discuss the one more example. Let us take, this is first one, this is second one, and I am writing here third example. And this is third example I am taking here. Example number 3. Example 3. And what is the value of, for example, you can take what is the value of cos 150 degree, or what is the value of tan 150 degree, tan 150 degree. or else you can take it as that is tan 330 degree, 330, or you can take it as cos of tan of 120 degree. What is the value of tan of 120 degree? You have to find out. I am writing second tan as it is, 120 is there. Can I write 120 as 90 plus 30? Yes, is it right? 90 plus 30 means 120, right? 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Therefore, tan 90 plus theta means tan theta, tan 30, right? Tan 30. And here, this is range 90 is there. Range 90 is there. Then tan becomes cot. Tan becomes cot because 270 ಮತ್ತು 90 ಇದ್ದಾಗ tan cot ಆಗ್ತದ, cot tan ಆಗ್ತದ. Now tan becomes cot 30. And what is cot 30? Go to table, as you know very well, that is cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and this is 2 getting cancelled, root 3. Go to table, cot 30 value is root 3. Go to table and check the value. Cot 30 is root 3. And 90 plus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is not a cot. Tan is a positive or a negative. Cot check ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದ. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ. tan in second quadrant, tan is a positive or a negative. Sine and cosec only positive in second quadrant, but remaining all are negative. Then tan is negative here. Therefore, this is negative. Tan of 120 degree is equal to minus root 3. This is the answer. And you please note down these three. And in the next class, I am continuing the same part with many examples we have discussed in the next class. You just remember this one. In the next class, I will continuing the same part with more examples. 1, 2, 3 we have studied now, and in the next class we will study about what is sin 225, sin 235, sin 200 degree, sin 235 degree, 180 degree. Many examples we have seen in the next class up to this, because here the space is not enough. You please 1, 2, 3 you remember, you note down please. In the next class, in the next video also, I am continuing the same concept with more examples. You please note down.